Viewers, you're welcome to our lecture on chordates. Today's lecture is on the birds. The birds. Now, the birds are tetrapod vertebrates that are characterized by the possession of feathers and integumentary structures. They possess feathers and they have wings for flight. They possess wings for flight. They are adapted to live arboreal lives. They are adapted to live arboreal life. And these birds are known to be light-weighted. And that's one adaptation for flight because their skeletal system is adapted for flight. The skeleton of birds is light-weighted because they have pneumatic cavities. And these pneumatic cavities contain air that enables the birds to traps air, and the air gives the birds buoyancy. The air that's adapted within the pneumatic cavities give these birds the buoyancy to fly, and these birds too are known to possess two hind limbs and two forelimbs. The forelimbs are adapted for flight, that's the wings, they form the wings, while the hind limbs, the legs, are adapted for perching and for perching, for walking, and in some birds like the penguins, it's adapted for swimming and walking. So these birds are known to have a four-chambered heart like that of mammals. Just like mammals, birds have four-chambered heart, and they also carry out a kind of closed circulatory system. Okay, and the digestive system of the birds too is adapted for flight because it's water efficient. The digestive and excretory systems. The respiratory system of the birds too is adapted for flight. The respiratory system of these birds have air sacs, and these air sacs the air sacs of the birds store air and give them buoyancy. That's why a bird can fly in the sky, without with less effort. Birds can fly in the sky with less effort. So when the bird respires, about 75% of the air that the bird inhales is directed to the air cavities, to the air sacs, and these air sacs give the bird that buoyancy. And some of the air too is taken to uh, the bones, or the pneumatic cavities of the bones. Right. Now, birds do not have teeth. They have beaks instead. Instead of having teeth, they possess beaks. Now, to compare the birds with other chordates, the birds have they possess feathers as integumentary structures. The reptiles have dry scales and scutes. The amphibians do not have integumentary structures. Some fish have scales. The mammals have hairs instead of the feathers that are common to the birds. Now, these birds too have some other features that distinguish them from other vertebrates. Okay, they are quite unique in that they are usually arboreal. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you must have learned a lot. Keep watching my videos on YouTube and you will definitely be happy that you did. So our lecture on the birds, we have summarized it, that they are organisms that are characterized by the possession of wings, and they have feathers instead of other integumentary structures. They have feathers instead of other integumentary structures, and they have a four-chambered heart. They have pneumatic cavities, and one very important factor, or one very important fact about the birds is that they possess one very important fact of the birds is that they are endothermic. They are endothermic. They are able to carry out regulation of the internal temperature, which is homeostasis, okay, which is not common to the reptiles. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll be educated based on very important topics I will be releasing soon. Thanks for watching.